Hey there guys, Abner's Reviews here, back with another unboxing, and today we have the Nebula Funko Pop Protector. So we have our item right here. Let's open it up. Okay, so that is our Nebula protector right here. Okay, so there we go. So let's just take out, I have 10 pieces right here in total, because these are sold in packages of 10s. So this is 10 pieces right here. So let's just get one from the pack, okay? Right here. So this is our Nebula Funko Pop Protector. These are also 0.5 mm in thickness, like the first ones which we have reviewed. The first one was Funko Pop Protector, so I'll link it right here and on our video description. And the second one was the Dice Protector, so I'll link it up here as well and on our video description. So this one is our Nebula Funko Pop Protector. So this should be the same thickness with those other two. So these have fortified edges and also a protective film as protection for scratches when they ship these items. So I think we're gonna get some peeling action later. So that's how it looks right there. I think that's the logo. So here we go guys, we have our horned box right here. So this one is also the same size as the first two which we have reviewed. 11 cm in length, 9 cm in width, and in height this should be 16 cm. So 11 by 9 by 16, which is the normal size or the standard size for the normal sized Funko Pops. So as you can see here, these are what we have talked about earlier, the fortified edges, and they do indeed stand out. They really are sturdy to the touch. And as mentioned earlier, I think that's their logo. This one. So the Dice Protector has one and the Funko Protector has one too, right? So that one. There's the Nebula logo. So that's how it looks in the bottom right there. It is also, when you construct it into a box, it auto-locks right here, as so with the other Funko Pop protectors which we have reviewed. On the top, it looks like this. There's the sides. So I believe it's time to peel the plastic off our Nebula Funko Pop protector. Let's do it. And this is how our protector looks without the protective film. Now it's more clear, right? So let's try getting one of our collections in here so we can see how it looks. So this one is our Venomized Hawk right here, number 366, and we are going to put it inside our Nebula Funko Pop protector. And here's our protector, and in goes the Venomized Hulk.
Wow!
Venomized Hulk looks amazing in this case.
Wow!
Okay, so here are our 3 variants of Funko Pop protectors, which we have reviewed in the channel. The first one right here is the one we were reviewing right now, which is the Nebula Funko Pop protector. Beside it is our Funko Tector Funko Pop protector, and the last one is our Dice Funko Pop protectors. So basically they all have the same size and they are all fortified on the edges, as you can see here. So I'll just give you a better look of them on each of their sides so that you can compare which one you would choose. But basically, here are the 3 Funko Pop protectors which we have now reviewed on Abner's Reviews. So there you go guys, with our quick unboxing and review of the Nebula Funko Pop protector. I hope you liked our comparison right there with the previous 2 Funko Pop protectors, which we have unboxed also on our channel. So again, all those videos for those Funko Pop protectors will be linked in the video description if you want to check them out. But this one is the Nebula Funko Pop protector. Again, it's 0.5 mm in thickness, fortified edges, and with protective plastic film. This really does look good with sturdy edges right here, as I mentioned earlier. And also, we are in the middle of our giveaway, the 3,500 subscribers giveaway. For more info on that, check out the link right here and on our video description. And please comment down below if you know what type of Funko Pop protector you are using, which one is your favorite. Please leave a comment down below so we can also share our reviews on them. There you go guys. Please do not forget to like and comment on our video. And if you haven't subscribed already, please consider subscribing to Abner's Reviews. Also click the notification bell so you'll get notified when we upload another video. Also follow us on our social media links right here. That's been it. This is Abner's Reviews. Now I'll catch you guys on the next one.